supposedly the so-called scientists say they've figured out the mystery of Bermuda Triangle. They're full of shit. How? Now, you don't know if you read the article or not. I really don't feel like reading it, but I might read it. I don't know. Let's see here. Hold on. The mystery behind the disappearance of several boats in the Bermuda Triangle may have finally been unraveled in a new theory by British scientists. According to the recent research, rogue waves going up to 100 feet could be engulfing boats in the region. At least 1,000 lives have been lost in the region within the last 100 years, and on average, 4 aircraft and over a dozen yachts go missing every year there. The infamous body of water lies in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean and stretches 270,271 square miles between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Experts at the University of Southampton said the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle can be explained by a natural phenomenon known as rogue waves, which only last for a few minutes. Bullshit. In all the stories that we've all heard and in all the movies we've ever seen, what happens in the Bermuda Triangle? You guessed it. Their watches stand still. Okay? A lot of people report a mysterious, hey, the only people that have ever been through there and lived to tell about it are the people that say they see like a weird haze and then their electrical equipment goes haywire. Now, tell me why 3 different waves coming together is going to cause a disturbance in your electromagnetic field, and why is it going to make your watch stop? Lies. It's all lies. This is a bunch of crap. I don't agree with this. This is a cover story. It has to be. But, you know, I'm just giving my opinion as I go along. There's only a little bit left of the article. According to the scientists, these were first observed by satellites in '97 off the coast of South Africa. The research team reportedly built a model of the USS Cyclops, a 542-foot long Navy cargo ship that went missing in the Triangle in 1918, claiming 300 lives. The ship's captain never sent out an SOS distress call, and an extensive search found no records. There you go, right there. They openly admitted it. The ship's captain never sent out an SOS distress call. Want to know why? All the electrical equipment went kaput. He couldn't get a call out. He wasn't even in our dimension. The Bermuda Triangle is some kind of an it's a vortex that is something to do with what's down there on the ocean floor. Who knows? Maybe it's a high concentration of metal. I don't know. But it literally acts like a conductor with the outside space. And that's, so far, that's what I know as a scientist. Okay, hold on here. The work of the research team will be explained on Channel 5 documentary, The Bermuda Triangle Enigma. According to The Sun, which first reported about the new theory, scientists use indoor simulators to recreate the monster water surges. Water surges don't cause magnetic fields, morons. Oh my god, these people are freaking boneheads. Dr. Simon Boxall, an ocean and earth scientist, so-called scientist, said 3 massive storms coming together from different directions in the region could be the perfect condition for a rogue wave. Show me how a rogue wave causes your watch to freeze, moron. He's such a liar. Such a surge in water could engulf a boat such as the Cyclops. Oh yeah? So if it engulfed the boat, guess what it would be? It would be at the bottom of the ocean, eh, dick cheese? Why don't you go find it, eh, scientist boy? Go find it, yeah. There are storms to the south and north which come together, he said. And if there are additional ones from Florida, it can be a potentially deadly formation of rogue waves. They are steep. They are high. We've measured waves in excess of 30 meters, 98 feet. Oh, you notice how he's only talking about ships? He's not talking about airplanes. So you have a 100-foot wave. What the hell difference does that make to an airplane squadron that disappears, who also had reported their freaking watch stopping and their electrical equipment malfunctioning? How does a wave matter? This is a lie. They found something important there, and they want to keep us off the scent. I think they might have found remnants of Atlantis or something. That's what I'm thinking. And they're just trying to keep us off the tail. No shit. Unusual events in the region date back to 1493 and the first voyage of Christopher Columbus, the Mason, to the New World. The explorer recorded having compass malfunctions and seeing strange lights. Now, I don't think waves are gonna. He makes no mentions of any rogue wave. He doesn't mention any rogue wave. He does in fact report seeing a UFO at sea. That's documented even in the Vatican Library. Okay. After the USS Cyclops' disappearance, another mystery occurred on December 5th, 45, when 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers, exactly, Flight 19, carrying 14 men, flew from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on a routine training exercise. Squadron Commander Lieutenant Charles C. Taylor reported he was lost as weather and sea conditions worsened. 2 rescue planes were sent out shortly after, but only one returned. Wreckage of Flight 19 and the rescue plane have never been found. Several other boats and aircraft were believed to have disappeared in the region, which was called the Devil's Triangle. Theories ranging anywhere from aliens to time vortices to pockets of methane gas have been surfaced for years. However, most investigations indicate bad weather and human error is a likely culprits. Bullshit. How is human error going to make your equipment falter? How is it going to make your watch freeze? No. Think about when people are abducted by UFOs. What do they report? They report frozen time. They report that watch X-Files. Your watch freezes. Think about it. They can create some kind of a field that manipulates the space-time continuum. Think about it. So, no, sorry, but for my expert opinion, and being smarter than these here scientists, their theory is debunked. Thank you.